Hey everybody, and welcome back. This is Wisconsin Shoe Guy. Today we're going to actually do the unboxing of these beautiful shoes. This is in a beautiful hatch grain, and these are by Acme in Shanghai. Some of the nicest tier 1 shoes I've ever purchased. And so we'll talk a little bit about the acquisition process, how that went, and talk about, you'll see the unboxing, and then we'll take a deeper look at the shoes.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Wisconsin Shoe Guy, and our channel we talk about men's dress wear. It's all about footwear, and we talk about unboxing videos, general shoe knowledge, helping you understand the industry and what's happening with your shoes. We look at shoes critically to determine whether or not they're worth the price that they charge. We compare shoe to shoe to understand which one is the best of the same category, and then I interview experts in the field to get their take as well. Check out my playlists to see all my videos.
So you'll notice I'm wearing the same shoes same clothes that I wore when I did my unboxing video for my Patrio Adelaides. I walked outside, and what did I see but a box sitting there for me. Now this is a very, very special pair of shoes. This is Acme Shoemaker, and I really hope this comes out in focus. This is a spare pair of laces, and then here we have some Harris tweed. I'm assuming it's Harris tweed. It might not be Harris, but it is tweed. Shoe bags, and look at those. Absolutely brilliant looking shoes, as you'd expect. 180-degree Norvegese welt. A phenomenal fiddleback waist. Some beautiful toe plates. Just absolutely incredible detail on these all the way around. Here's the other one. These are hollowed shoe trees as well. Very excited about these. So we'll take a lot of pictures. We'll get them shined up over time. You know, the thing I'm most excited about on these is the vamp. This is a beautiful, very subtle pie crust apron with a hidden split toe. They're still cold. That's why you can see my fingerprints on them, because they're still cold. I literally just brought them in, and I wanted to open the box, so I just started recording so I'd be able to do that. But I'm very excited about these shoes and can't wait to share the next step with you as well. So thank you for watching, and I'll try to include everything in the first video.
So it's all about the last, right? I mean, if you look at these shoes, the quality just oozes through them, and it's the style of the last, the way that it's cut, the way that it exemplifies luxury. Then you can see, obviously, the Norvegese stitching here is just first rate. Even the toe taps have a lot more detail than they normally do. And I really feel like they've done a good job being able to capture the essence of the brand, as well as really capturing quality in what they do. So I'm really excited about these shoes, and I feel like it's going to be a great addition to the collection. And I'll spend a lot more time taking a look at some of these details as we go.